SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to make the screen brighter on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If the screen on your iPhone is too dim, then there's a couple of different ways that you can adjust the brightness. The first option is done through the Control Center. You can open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. That's going to bring up this menu, and now you just need to find this bar with a sun on it. This is the brightness slider. To increase the brightness, you simply need to tap on this slider, and then you can drag it up to make the screen brighter, or you can drag it down to make the screen dimmer. The second option that you have for adjusting the screen brightness is to open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Display and Brightness option on this menu, and then you can find the brightness slider there, and you can drag it to the right to make the screen brighter, or you can drag it to the left to make the screen dimmer. If you find that your iPhone is still automatically adjusting your screen brightness, then this is likely due to either low power mode being enabled, auto brightness being enabled, or potentially True Tone. If you would like to change any of these settings, then you can adjust the True Tone setting by opening Settings, choosing the Display and Brightness option, and then you can tap the button to the right of True Tone to turn it on or to turn it off. This is True Tone's turned off now. If you would like to turn off auto brightness, then you can go back to the main settings menu. Then you can select accessibility. Here you can choose display and text size, and then you can scroll all the way down here and you'll find the auto brightness option. If you want to turn it off, then just tap the button to the right of it. I have auto brightness turned off right now. The final option that I mentioned is low power mode, which automatically adjusts a bunch of your settings to preserve battery life. If you would like to turn off low power mode, then you can simply find the battery option on this menu, and then you can tap the button to the right of low power mode to turn it on or turn it off. I have low power mode turned off right now. If you turn low power mode on, then your battery icon is going to get yellow, the screen's going to dim, and a bunch of other settings are going to get adjusted as well. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.